Okay, so, dude, coming into market open, we had PMI, and it was PMI at 8 a.m. and then Powell at 7:30. So I was waiting for like a really good setup. I was waiting for something clean because I was waiting for at least Powell to speak, but last time PMI didn't make too big of a move, so I was fine trading before that. But this was PMI and it was pretty aggressive, so I waited for my entry. As you can see, like, bro, for a minute it was choppy, bro. Yeah, it was choppy for a minute, bro. And we actually formed one SMT, which I was okay to take that because it was a little bit into when Powell was speaking, and ES was way higher. So, and it was right as PMI was coming out, and it's like I said last time, I didn't make too big of a move, so I didn't expect too much. But yeah, as soon as PMI came out, since we had like a really aggressive move down and then move up, I don't know, I wanted to just wait for like a break of structure or something. And I was about to enter right here, but like I wanted to wait for that break of structure at least. Plus, I was going to target these lows, but yeah, I don't know. I don't really target big RR trades. But after that, I don't know. We just chopped out for a minute, and then after that, ES took another high. And usually, like, I don't know, I was playing around today. I would have gone long because I like trading continuations. And when ES takes out a high, hold up. Usually NASDAQ does as well. So, see, we took multiple highs, but ES actually took this one. So I was going to go long because we were respecting all this bullish order flow. But, you know, I'm not going to try and trade against the SMT. So when we formed that, plus it was after PMI and the market kind of cooled down a little bit, we as soon as that 5-minute candle like closed, where was it? Right here. I wanted to see some kind of continuation at least. And when we formed this up candle, I was waiting for a little bit, like a little more of a retrace, but I don't know. We got this big move down, and it was like a bigger rejection because these are kind of like dojis, but I guess you can consider them. So I got filled like honestly pretty low, and I just had my stop above here because it would have been too big if I put it above this fair value gap. Like, I'm not trying to do that. Plus, I don't know how much further the market was finna go. Wait. And the RR, it wasn't too bad. I think it was actually pretty good. That's about usually what I target. Wait, what? Hang on. Let me check my phone. Bro. It was 799. Yeah, right there. So I made about 230, 234. Not bad. About $600 away from 50K, but yeah, there we go. I don't know how to stop this recording.